Hello. In this problem, we are asked to find the antiderivative of the function sine of x to the power 5 times cosine of x to the power 6. Let us compute the integral of sine of x to the power 5 times cosine of x to the power 6. This function is a product of powers of sine and cosine functions. The power of the sine function is 5, which is odd. And the power of the cosine function is 6, which is even. Since the power of the sine function is 5, which is odd, we can rewrite sine to the power 5 of x as the product of sine to power 4 of x and sine of x. Note that the square of the sine function is equal to 1 minus the square of the cosine function. So the quantity sine of x to the power 4 can be expressed solely in terms of cosine of x. So we have sine of x to the power 4 times sine of x is equal to the expression 1 minus cosine squared of x to the power 4 times sine of x. Now let us set u equal to cosine of x and du equal to negative sine of x. The integral of sine of x to the power 5 times cosine of x to the power 6 dx is equal to the integral of cosine of x to the power 6 times the quantity 1 minus cosine squared of x to the power 2 times sine of x dx. When we substitute cosine of x by u and sine of x dx by negative du, we obtain the original integral is now equal to negative the integral of u to the power 6 times the quantity 1 minus u squared to the power 4 du. When we expand the expression, we obtain the integral of minus u to the power 10 plus 2u to the power 8 minus u to the power 6 du is equal to minus u to the power 11 over 11 plus 2u to the power 9 over 9 plus minus u to the power 7 over 7 plus c. Replacing u by cosine of x gives. Consequently, negative the integral of u to the power 6 times the quantity 1 minus u squared to the power 2 du is equal to minus cosine of x to the power 11 over 11 plus 2 cosine of x to the power 9 over 9 plus minus cosine of x to the power 7 over 7 plus c. Therefore the integral of sine of x to the power 5 times cosine of x to the power 6 dx is equal to minus cosine of x to the power 11 over 11 plus 2 cosine of x to the power 9 over 9 plus minus cosine of x to the power 7 over 7 plus c. This completes the solution. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe if you have not yet done so. Thanks.